We may be far from over. In fact, the CDC officials say that they're seeing very high rates of hospitalizations among non-elderly adults. Flu activity remains high around the country. In fact, 48 states are reporting widespread flu activity. Federal health officials say 7.7% of people showing up at doctors' offices and other medical centers are showing influenza-like illness. That rate is similar to what they saw during the 2009 H1N1 pandemic.
Our latest tracking data indicate that influenza activity is still on the rise overall. In fact, we may be on track to break some recent records.
Although this year's flu vaccine offers limited protection against the dominant H3N2 strain that's out in circulation, public health officials are urging people to get the shot because it does offer better protection against some of the other strains that are out there. And for the same reason, they recommend you get a flu shot even if you've already had the flu this season. In fact, while H3N2 activity is actually showing some signs of declining in some of the western states, public health officials say they are seeing increases in those states among activity among those other flu strains. They say you should get a shot and stay home if you become sick with the flu to avoid giving it to someone with a weakened immune system. In fact, pediatric deaths continue to rise. The CDC reports an additional 10 pediatric deaths over the past week. That brings the national total to 63. So some very sad news, Julie.